We are officially back with videos of renovating number 7. Sorry that we haven't been posting very much, but we are well and truly back and we've got plenty more to come. The plumber's been, he's disconnected the boiler, so now we can finally get this wall down. The next time him coming, we just need to have this floor chased, get the carpets up in the dining room and the sitting room, so we can sort the radiators out and sort the pipes out for that. We finally got the last little bit of this wall down. I didn't get a full video of the wall down for some reason, but never mind. And we also did get help from friends and family to let us know if this was a stud wall or if it could just be knocked down, and it could just be knocked down, thankfully. I took away the fireplace because we wanted to expose the fireplace, see what's behind it and see if it's salvageable. Yeah, get all of this down, see what's behind it. So I was slowly chipping away at this, and honestly it is the hardest job ever. If you're a little gal like me, it's just very difficult, and I kept hitting my hand with the hammer and it was just awful. So then Dill stepped in and he did literally double what I did in half the amount of time. But that's what happens when you work in construction, isn't it? But honestly, why do men make tasks like this look so easy? It took me forever. So I'm back trying again because I'm just not giving up. And actually this time round it looks like I'm hitting the chisel harder. So yeah, good luck to me. I couldn't let you sit through any more of that, so here's it kind of semi-finished. I don't think it looks too bad. And then Dill started getting the bricks out and make it bigger. Clearing the bricks and then cleaning the bricks. It actually came out really, really good.
Got all of that to do.
And then believe it or not, in the midst of all of this, we got a sofa delivery. I mean, it is a hand-me-down that someone's gave us, bless their heart, and we love it. But yeah, it probably wasn't the right time.
Oh, you put it on the floor.
The boys are just trying their best to get the sofa through the door. And that door is actually a bigger door, so it made it easier for them.
Nice.
Go on, lass.
Oh my god, how crumbly that is.
And that's me ending the video here. This is kind of a rundown of what it looks like now. Thanks so much for watching, and please give us a like and a follow, and we'll see you in the next one.